Hello and welcome to Storytime with Miss Bethany. I'm Miss Bethany. Those of you who regularly come to Storytime at the library know that we sometimes use props to tell stories and sing songs. Those things are fun to use at Storytime, but since we can't go to the library right now, I'm going to show you how to make some of your own props at home, and then we're going to sing a song using our new props. After we sing our song, I'll talk about some things that you can do at home with your new prop to get ready to learn how to read. The first prop we're going to make is a shaker. So if you've been to Storytime, you know our shakers at the library look like eggs, but ours are going to look a little bit different. So I made my shaker out of this bottle that vitamins came in, and inside I just put a little bit of rice. You don't need very much. You could also make your shaker with a container, and this one I put some beans inside. Or you could put pennies in there, and it'll sound a little bit different depending on what you put inside. So this is my shaker, and we're going to sing a song called Can You Shake Along With Me, and we're going to shake our shakers. It's to the tune of London Bridge. Here we go. Can you shake along with me, along with me, along with me? Can you shake along with me? It's so easy. And you can also shake your shaker by different body parts. So let's shake our shakers by our ears. Can you find your ears? And right now we have to be careful not to touch our face too much. So we're just going to shake it by our ear. Shake your shaker by your ear, by your ear, by your ear. Shake your shaker by your ear. It's so easy. So singing, you'll know we do a lot of singing at Storytime, and hopefully you're doing a lot of singing at home. And one of the reasons that we do so much singing is singing slows down language, so you can hear that words are made up of smaller parts called syllables. So normally when we talk, we just put everything together, but when we sing, we slow it down. So we go twinkle, twinkle, little star. And you can hear the individual parts in those words. So try using your shaker at home to sing songs, or have someone read aloud a book and shake your shaker along with the words. The next prop we're going to make is rhythm sticks. So we have some colorful rhythm sticks at the library, but for our rhythm sticks at home, we are going to use 2 wooden spoons. And they don't have to be wooden spoons, they can be plastic or metal, and they'll sound different depending on what material you use. I'm going to use my wooden spoons and I'm going to tap them together. And I'm going to roll them. And I'm going to rub them. Ooh, that makes an interesting noise. So we're going to sing a song called Let's Tap Our Sticks Together, and I want you to tap your rhythm sticks along with me. Here we go. Let's tap our sticks together, together, together. Let's tap our sticks together, 'cause it's fun to do. All right, let's roll our sticks. Can you roll your sticks like this? Let's roll our sticks together, together, together. Let's roll our sticks together, 'cause it's fun to do. Right, let's rub our sticks. Let's rub our sticks together, together, together. Let's rub our sticks together, 'cause it's fun to do. All right, that's our song. Some other things that you can do with your rhythm sticks. You can try tapping out a pattern and get someone else to try to copy that pattern. So let's try one. Can you make that pattern with your rhythm sticks? Another thing you can do is use one stick to trace shapes or patterns on the floor or in the air, or even on someone's back if they say it's okay, and they can try to guess what shape or letter that you're drawing. So I'll draw a letter here, up, down, across. Can you guess what letter that was? It's the letter A. All right, let's draw a shape. Can you guess what shape I'm drawing? You're right, it's a circle. So try doing different things with your rhythm sticks at home. Have fun.